pear, basil, and cucumber. Have you ever heard of a combo like that for a vegetable juice? Because all you hear nowadays is just like the typical stuff, you know? ABC, celery juice, lemon juice, apple juice, orange juice, cranberry juice, grape juice, pineapple juice, all kinds of juices. But you haven't heard one like this. All vegetables are good for you. Everybody should be juicing. I bet you at the beginning of the year, a whole bunch of people are gonna start juicing, and then they're gonna jump off the wagon because that's what they do. That's what everybody does with their New Year's resolutions. They just like for a few weeks and then they forget about it. No, you gotta make this a habit. I'm gonna stick into your brain, you're gonna be dreaming about juicing. That's what's gonna happen. You're gonna hear that machine going off in your dreams, and you're gonna be like, oh man, I can't sleep. That's not good. The idea is that you guys will be juicing a lot. That's the goal. Okay. Anyway, before we go into the video and start making this recipe, I would appreciate if you guys like, comment, and subscribe, because it'd be a great Christmas present. It would be a great Christmas present. Look at that. There's no gifts under the tree. I don't know if you can see the tree right now, but there's no gifts under the tree. I need some gifts. You know, just give me a like. Let's get started, and yeah, let's go to the kitchen. You guys are going to enjoy this one. All right, guys, this recipe is very easy. Other recipes, you have to wash a lot of vegetables just to make your juice. This one, you need a pear, you got your cucumber, and we got some basil right here. So I'm gonna wash this stuff real quick. It's gonna be really easy, quick to make, and the only thing that's gonna take long is washing the machine, which I never show on this channel, but there are some machines that take very, very long to clean. I like this one. A lot of people hate on these juices. I don't know why. That's a whole other subject. But let's get started. All right, guys, so I got a book right here called The New Whole Foods Encyclopedia, and basil's not very common in vegetable juices. At least I haven't really seen it in many juices. So I'm gonna tell you guys the medicinal benefits of basil. One of the valued yawn tonics, basil helps maintain and generate warmth and regulate qi circulation and resolve cold, mucus, and damp conditions. It supports the kidney, the liver, stomach, your spleen, and large intestine functions. The essential oils in basil oil has potent antioxidant, man, I wish I could say these words. If I say these words, I'll probably get censored, man. Sucks nowadays. I can't say a lot of these anti-something words, you know? But it's good for a lot of people who are seriously ill right now. Long considered an aphrodisiac, basil is used to treat mild depression, headache, and menstrual pain. It calms nerves, aids memory and digestion, and treats fevers, kidney malfunction, cough, constipation, nausea, insomnia, fatigue, colds, and flu. Basil is amazing. I should be using it a lot more in the kitchen. But I feel like if I were to cook it, I'll probably lose a lot of its properties. So juicing it might be the best thing. We also got a pear, which is a great source of soluble fiber. Very good for people who have constipation issues. They're constipated right now. I'm not constipated right now, because if I was constipated, I'd probably be stressed out right now. You know, people who are constipated, they're always like in a bad mood. If you notice that, it's a real thing. Next time you go onto the streets, you see a guy in a bad mood, you just be like, that guy's constipated. Should be drinking this juice. We also got cucumber, which is a great source of silica, and we need a base for this juice. And cucumber is great because it's high in water content or vegetable juice content, whatever you want to call it. Cucumber juice content. Is that even a thing? I don't know, I just made up something right there. But this whole combination is gonna be great. So let's get started. I'm gonna stick the basil in between the cucumber and the pear because these juicers work better this way. I feel like I'll get more juice out of it. All right, that was easy. Nice and easy, guys. It takes longer to clean the machine than it actually is to make it. But these machines are easy to clean, in my opinion, because I own another machine, which is the Green Star Pro, and that one has a lot of pieces and it takes forever. But for the sake of this video, I like using these, and also just in general in real life. I like to be in and out of the kitchen really fast. Let's mix it up real quick. And pour it in. Smells really good. It smells like basil. All right. I'm not gonna be constipated anymore. Just kidding, I wasn't constipated. Doesn't taste bad. Nice and smooth. Very easy to drink. Nothing in your throat, no kick in your throat like when you use ginger or anything like that, obviously, because there's nothing in there like that that will give you that sensation. I feel like it's very easy to digest, to absorb all the nutrients and minerals. Obviously, vegetable juice are great for that reason because we're getting rid of the fiber and we're allowing our body to just mainly focus on the juice and absorb the vitamins and minerals that Mother Nature has given us. Definitely a must-try juice. I think you guys are gonna like it if you've been juicing for a while now. Even if you haven't been juicing that long, it's not that bad. It's not the best juice that I've ever had, but it's not bad. It's like 75%. If I had to like rate it, I give it a 75%. It's good. It's good. It's not so bad. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next video. I think I'm gonna show you guys a recipe that won't deal with juicing. So I think you guys are gonna enjoy that one. Show you guys how to make some. Show you guys, should I tease you guys or should I just let you guys know what I'm gonna make? I'll let you guys know what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make some waffles. Some really good waffles, because I like waffles for breakfast sometimes, you know? They're good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless and take care. Happy holidays to everybody. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.